Here is our pistachio and raspberry delight, finished in classic patisserie style. Note the fresh raspberries and the delicate pistachio sprinkle on top. Begin by creaming butter and sugar until pale and smooth. Beat until light and fluffy. Look for a soft, aerated texture. Rotate the bowl as you go to ensure even mixing. A light dusting of sugar lifts the batter's sweetness and texture. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Fold gently with a spatula to keep the batter airy. Add a splash of vanilla for warm aromatics. Fold in the pistachio paste until the batter turns a soft green. Gently fold in the flour, taking care not to overmix. Aim for a thick, smooth batter with minimal mixing. Ensure every bit of batter is scraped down into the bowl. Grease and line your cake tin for a clean release. Pour the batter into the prepared tin, smoothing lightly. Smooth the batter to an even surface for an even bake. Place the tin into a preheated oven to bake. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden. Cool completely before assembly. Whip the cream to soft peaks, ready for folding. Gently fold in the icing sugar for a silky texture. Mixing technique clip. Gently fold flour into the batter. Set the first layer on a cake board or turntable. Spread an even pistachio cream. Arrange raspberries over the cream, then place the second layer squarely on top. Spread cream again, add raspberries, and set the final layer to build the cake. Keep the edges tidy for a professional patisserie finish. Use a fine piping tip to create elegant cream swirls on top. Rotate the cake slowly to check symmetry and final touches. Delicately place berries into the swirls for a refined look. A light dusting of icing sugar adds a final patisserie touch. The crumb is tender and the layers are beautifully defined. Lift a slice slowly to reveal the pistachio cream and raspberry ribbon. Allow the cake a moment to rest and settle before serving. Enjoy a delicate pistachio and raspberry delight, perfect for any celebration.